In this video, I will be showing you how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox in Windows. So first I'll be showing you how to download and install VirtualBox, then how to set up Ubuntu in it. So let's get started. First thing, just Google VirtualBox and click on the first link. And here we'll be having download button under get started. Click that. And we are having VirtualBox for different operating system. Just click on Windows hosts. And the download will be getting started. It is around 169 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting the Oracle VirtualBox installer. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Next. And this is going to be the default location where it will get installed. I have changed it. If you want to change it, just click on change and select the drive and the folder of your choice. Once you have done that, select next and click on yes. Yes also. And these are fine. Click on next and install. Once everything is done, click on start and select finish. That's it. We are having the Oracle VirtualBox manager. Now we need to set up Ubuntu in it. For this, just search for Ubuntu and click on the first link. Here to the top we'll be having products. Select this and we'll be having Ubuntu desktop. Click that and we are having download Ubuntu desktop. Select this and this is the latest stable version, Ubuntu 24.04.3. If you scroll down, we are having Ubuntu 25 also. If you want, you can try that out. I am fine with this particular version, so I will just click on download over here. It is around 5.9 GB in size, so just be patient till then. Once it has been completely installed, just again open VirtualBox Manager, click on New, and this is where we will be adding our Ubuntu ISO file. So just give a name. I will just go with Ubuntu OS like this, and this is going to be the virtual machine folder. If you want to change it, you can. And after selecting the folder, we need to select the ISO file. This is the one we just downloaded. So click here and select other. Here in downloads, we'll be having the image file. Select it and open. Once we have done that, all the other information will be auto-filled. And check this, proceed with unattended installation and go here. So you just need to fill these following details. I will just go with the username and make sure that you don't forget the password. Type it over here and it says host name, there is some error, and we can just give it as Ubuntu. Yep, that is now fine. Click on this install guest additions, and next let's specify the virtual hardware. This is going to be the number of RAM as well as the number of CPUs. So I will just go with around something like this. So this will come, I guess, like near to 5 GB. And since I'm having 12 CPUs, I will go with 5. I guess that's fine. And next is the hard disk space. So by default, it is 25. If you're going to use more than that, you can just allocate more. I'll just go with 30, something like that, and click on finish. And that's it. It will automatically start powering up, and in case if you don't get that, select it and click on start. Okay, you'll be having that option, and this is the one that we'll be getting. Try or install Ubuntu will be getting automatically selected, and it will begin to install Ubuntu operating system now, as you can see here. So this will take some time to load. Just be patient. So after some time, you will be getting this login page, and if you are facing any hypervisor errors, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I have showed you an entire tutorial how to solve that. And in case if you are getting any other issues after Ubuntu is installed, you can simply click here and restart. Okay, so you'll be having that restart option here. You can do that. That will also solve the issue. So now let me just click my username and type the password, the one that we entered while creating our Ubuntu. Here I am getting the welcome to Ubuntu screen. Select next. If you want Ubuntu Pro, you can go here and try out. I'm fine with it. I'll just click on skip, and I don't want to share. Next. And if you want to like download anything, you can just open the app center and get it. Finish. If you want full screen, you can click on view and select full screen mode. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.